everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is such an exciting day. We have a full day ahead of us in San Diego. If you didn't see yesterday's video, we flew all the way from the UK here to San Diego. We are here for a Disney cruise on the Wonder, but today we have a whole day just to spend to ourselves in San Diego. I think we are going to the zoo this afternoon and we have a lot of other stuff planned. We're going to go watch the Formula 1 at like a sports bar. Right now it is 7:15. We all woke up pretty early because of the jet lag. We woke up about 5:30. So we are headed down to our included breakfast and then we are going to head out into the city and see what we can get done. So let's go. Guys, this is unbelievable. This is all on the free breakfast. I've got watermelon, different cereal bars, banana, Fruit Loops. I've got a bagel with peanut butter and jam and then some potatoes. We also have around omelette, French toast, breakfast sausage. That's the main things that people are going for, and other cereal bars. And lemonade to drink, like American lemonade. We also have cranberry juice, tea and coffee, and orange juice. And there was other stuff too. Great. Oh my gosh, wait, where was that one? I didn't see blueberry. Oh, amazing. So that breakfast was absolutely fabulous. Honestly, we were all so happy. Kate says it's the best pancake she's ever eaten in her whole life. We're now just waiting for this woman we met earlier in the summer to come pick a bag up from us that my grandma made for her. Long story, but basically we're waiting for that and then we are going to head out to explore. Is it a real fire pit? I think she said it was the hot tub that's on this floor. So apparently there's a pool and hot tub somewhere. Yeah, I think it is. We're looking for it, but we don't know where it is. See, it's literally split into Hilton Garden Inn and Homewood Suite. Anyway, if we're on a hunt, we might find it, we might not. Alright, our first stop of the day, we are headed to 7-Eleven to grab some snacks. No idea what we're going to find in here. I actually don't think I've ever been in a 7-Eleven before. I kind of want a big gulp. Big gulps are only 99 cents. Coffee and iced tea. Coffees. Pumpkin spice latte. Oh, Slurpee! I'm so getting a Slurpee. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. They've got like all like hostess snacks. More coffee. So much coffee. This is amazing. If we want to get more sweets, we can get more sweets. Look what they've got! Beyond Meat jerky. Oh my gosh. This is literally a dream of 14-year-old me to come in a 7-Eleven. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. They have so much cool stuff. We're on the big gulp, so I'm going to get Parade Mountain Berry Blast, my fave. Oh yeah, I mean we do, to be fair. Oh, so much stuff.
Honey.
Where is it? Hopefully got that. We have successfully got our stuff from 7-Eleven. We are now headed to a place called the Shakespeare pub. It's like a British pub and they're showing the F1. The F1 starts in about an hour, just over an hour. So we're gonna go there, watch that, chill for a bit, and then we are headed to the zoo this afternoon. We finally made it. I say finally, it's been like about half an hour, but we are here. This is where we're planning to watch the F1 this afternoon. Massive! Hey! We have now arrived at the zoo. I see a giraffe and a giant lion thing. So this is fun. Apparently it's like Halloween night tonight. So we'll see how that goes. A one-day ticket, $67. We are headed on a bus tour to start. Oh, yeah, can do. Apparently it's about 35 minutes long. And we are sat on the top deck, which is very exciting. So we shall see how this goes.
We're going to go all over to our 8 different conservation hubs where we work with different partners and communities. Conservation starts with you, starts with me, starts with all of us working together to create a world where all life thrives.
I do not see a tiger.
Not yet.
Can you see it, Debs? No.
Right here in front of us, on your closest to us, is Miss Ellen. She is our lioness. And if you look over onto the far right-hand side, you can see Ernest. They are brother and sister, and they are about the ages between 6 to 10 years old. If you're looking over on your right-hand side, this is one of our Asian elephants. This is Debbie. Now, Debbie is in her 40s, and as you can tell, she is an Asian elephant. How you can usually tell the difference between Asian and African is by their ears. Their ears are bigger on African elephants and smaller on Asian elephants. Now, Shaba is giving us one of the better angles, her butt. Yes, best angle. They flew up behind me. I screamed and ducked for my life because I thought it was a pterodactyl. That's a 9.5-foot wingspan on that, folks. Come on. Wow. They're showing off for you guys today. So, if you are going to buy something that has palm oil in it, what they're doing is they're slashing, burning, and then replanting for palm oil for palm trees. And these guys are losing their habitat. This is over. They are usually found in India, Nepal region. This is a sloth bear.
I'm going to be totally honest with you guys, I'm not usually one for zoos, and this is not changing my mind. The enclosures are very, very small, but according to what they were saying on like the little tour, they are doing a lot to like conservation kind of efforts, and they like rescue a lot of animals, so like it's not all bad. Just in case anyone's interested, this is Boardwalk Beer Garden. And it's got a menu of like a bunch of stuff. It's got like drinks and snacks and stuff. Prices are pretty similar to Disney. It's like pretty expensive. So you can get pretzel dog with chips $9.99, stuffed pretzels $6.50, sausage $14, and then fountain beverages $14.99 for like the refill sipper cup. Popcorn $9.99, and then $2.29 for a refill. Water, Dasani water is $5.29. That's just insane, isn't it? By the way, if anybody's interested, these were a 10 out of 10. Would highly recommend. Oh, so cute. Is that you, Timo? So we saw a couple of people wearing these, and then we realised they sell them here. But if anybody saw the Florida series, this is the exact hat we wore for our Halloween costume, which you will see later this week, which is very hilarious, except it has like a mini koala on top and then a star. That's so funny. Viper.
And he's vulnerable too.
Wow.
Hello.
Actually,
Don't go too close, right? The glass might go and then you might
I was thinking that before. And then I get trapped on the inside. That is so cute. Look this way, please. No? Oh. Oh. Oh my word. That is literally the cutest thing ever. So this is what you can get at the Asian restaurant. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's near the panda enclosures. So teriyaki chicken, orange chicken, or sriracha tofu, and then it also has like burgers and stuff, and sides, drinks, desserts, etc. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a giant crocodile over there. It's literally enormous. Oh, it's going up to the top. Whoa. Oh my gosh, that is insane. It's literally getting so dark now, so I don't know how much more you guys will be able to see, but I'll show you what I can. So the pathways have literally no lighting at all. We're following behind some people who have their torch phone thing on, or flashlight if you're American, but there's literally nothing, and it's still kind of light, so there's a bit of light coming through the trees, but in like 10 minutes it's going to be pitch black and you wouldn't be able to see a single thing, as you can see through the camera. So that is less than ideal, just to know if you're going to come like at night. Wait, I
Oh
can't
my
see.
gosh.
I can only just see it on here. That is so cool though. Oh my gosh, it's coming this way. Ah, it's coming to pounce. Oh my gosh. Now I'm scared.
Right here. When I said better, I meant a lot better. Oh my god!
Oh, it's really dark. So we're not 100% sure. We think we've done most of it now. I think there's about one section we haven't done at all. So we're heading on the massive cable car things. It's kind of like a ski lift type thing. So basically we're not really sure what's going on, but once we walk across this bridge we're going to get on the cable cars. It's going to take us to the section we haven't done. We're going to do that and then assume we're going to get an Uber back to our hotel. Bye guys, see ya!
Oh, this is good.
This is fun, I'm glad we've gone on this. It might be a bit breezy up here though.
Wait, it's got no like
There's walls, yeah. So. Wow! Oh, we should have replied. Oh, she wasn't talking to us. No, we shouldn't. Some kid just said, "Que numero eres?" And I was going to reply to her, but then I realised she wasn't talking to us. So that's embarrassing.
Bridge that we wanted to go on.
Hey! Yes! Friends. Hello friends! So we're at Busy Bee Cafe. We're not actually buying anything, but they've got a load of choices, and we have just noticed they have a garden vegan burger for $13.99.
This is one of the first places.
There we go.
Like
Real food. Yeah. I'll take that. Looks like we're going into the butterfly house now. This could be interesting. Genuinely very weird. I don't quite understand. I just thought they'd be loose. Like when I went to Copenhagen and I went to the botanical garden, so it's a butterfly house, and they were just loose. Whoa. Whoa.
it's like fruits.
That is so cool. Looks like they do have a butterfly house, but it's not open, so we will not be doing that, clearly. We are now in the reptile place. I don't know what, I can't remember what it was called. Reptile encounter. Climbing up. Oh my word. It's like, hello.
We still have our regular box too.
That's wild. Whoa, what's going on here? Oh my word, that's brave. That's very brave. We are just having a quick peruse of the shops and then I think we'll be headed back to the hotel. We have now arrived back at our hotel for the evening. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure to leave it a massive thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. We are headed on to the Disney Wonder tomorrow morning, which is super exciting. We are on there for 4 nights in total and I'll be vlogging every single day. So make sure to stick around so you don't miss it. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time with a brand new video. Bye!